Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by creating the canvas and timeline so your animation lives in one place. Set 1920 by 1080 at 24 frames per second, then make an animation folder and open the timeline window. Once done, add background, key, in-between, and cleanup layers and set onion skin intensity to see nearby frames. Make exposure settings for each cell. This saves drawing time. Also create a short shot plan in the timeline markers, so you know where key frames and holds go as you begin. You draw the main poses first because solid keys define motion. Place them on the key layer and label each shot folder. Once keys are locked, make an in-between layer and decide, manual frame by frame for organic motion or use the tween tool for mechanical movement. Use onion skin to match spacing and hold counts. Play the clip often, shrink or expand timing based on rhythm. If you have audio, mark key beats on a reference layer to align action and ensure timing reads clearly at final speed. You finish by cleaning line work and locking final layers. Use clipping masks for color under the linear to keep edges crisp. Once frames are ready, export through File, Export, Animated GIF or MP4, selecting a codec and bitrate that match your delivery needs. Test the exported file, and if you see jitter or timing errors, go back. Increase stabilizer for shaky strokes or retime individual frames using the timeline curve tool. If colors shift, check color profile and re-export with consistent settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.